Are you studying at home or even at school? Feel a little stuck and somewhat bored? Well then stay tuned to my YouTube as I welcome you back to the drawing board.
Hi! Welcome back to the drawing board. Today we're going to look at the OO sound. Now, we know that this is O. When we pair it with another O, it makes the digraph OO.
Listen carefully for this sound, but don't worry about any names, just the words, as they will help us when we come to practice. Now, let's see what's happening around the world.
First up is an astronaut who will soon be back from the moon. So, which words in that clip had the OO sound? There was soon and moon. Let's practice soon. S, OO, and n. S, OO, n. Soon. Now let's try moon. Starting with m, OO, and n, m, OO, n. Moon. Next up is a cook who is stirring their food with a spoon. Now, you may have heard food and spoon. So, starting with food. F, OO, and d. F, OO, d. Food. Let's move on to spoon. S, p, OO, and n. S, p, OO, n. Spoon. Now over to an owl, which can often hoot and swoop to catch their prey. What could we hear this time? There was hoot and swoop. So, starting with hoot. OO, and t. OO, t. Hoot. And on to swoop. S, w. OO, and p. S, w. OO, p. Swoop. And last but not least, we head over to a zoo where we can see a raccoon and a baboon. Now, what were our two words? We had raccoon and baboon. Starting with raccoon. R, a, k, OO, and n. R, a, k, OO, n. Raccoon. And finally, let's try baboon. B, a, b, OO, and n. B, a, oo, baboon. I hope you enjoyed practicing the oo sound today. Perhaps you can think of more words which have this sound. See you next time!